Bafana Bafana doesn't need Lyle Foster. He's not serving anything for the club. Ayikho into asiyenzela yona, akakori ama-goal. He's missing chances. He misses obvious chances. And Lyle Foster, he's hardly in the right space for him ukuthi angashoot. I don't understand how this guy was developed. I don't understand how this guy was scouted, and I don't understand how he was signed Burnley. It's true, as Nabasho Guti, sometimes in life you need luck. Because clearly, it has to be luck that Lyle Foster lalele Bafana Bafana. He plays for Burnley, and that he even comes from Orlando Pirates. It's only out of luck. Lyle Foster is not the kind of striker that you can count on and depend on, especially Gumake Mamakul. If he failed to score against Nicaragua, uzoyenzani in Mexico, uzoyenzani Czechia, uzoyenzani South Korea. What is he gonna do at the World Cup? He's not scoring goals na Burnley. What makes you think ukuthi uzokora namanje ku World Cup? Hugo Broos really likes Lyle Foster. He really obheka uyamthanda Lyle Foster, akaboni wrong phambi kwaka Lyle Foster. Unfortunately Lyle Foster keeps disappointing him. Unfortunately Lyle Foster akayenzi lezinto lezi ekumele ukuthi azenze. Lento ifana nomfazi othanda indoda imthembise ukuthi namhlanje ngizobuya ngabo 8 endlini besabuye the following day. Ayikho lento le Lyle Foster ayenzayo. You can't tell me that you're a professional striker playing at that level bafethu. Maqeda lapho in 10 games you can't even score at least 8 goals. Striker, what kind of striker are you? Bekabo Erling Haaland bayenzani kuma country wabo. Kylian Mbappe is not a striker. He's a wing converted into a striker, but he's scoring week in week out for Madrid, and he's definitely scored more goals than Lyle Foster. So I honestly don't understand why Hugo Broos continues to remain loyal to Lyle Foster. Bafana Bafana doesn't need this guy at the World Cup. Bafana Bafana doesn't need this guy at all. Aksi striker semali, aksi striker sizokorela magol. But knowing Hugo Broos uzomthatha funa ukuyomqalisa le because Lyle Foster plays a Europe. But funny how some countries don't have players that are European based. Badlala in their own countries or badlala like somewhere around Lapo, but those countries still do well. They count on a player wabo because they can see that no, this guy is good enough to lead. There was a time last complaining when Bradley Grobler was scoring a lot of goals for Iskukuni. And sa complain, especially as pundits, good Hugo Broos, here's a striker for you. Here's a striker for you. Hugo Broos decided to remain loyal to Lyle Foster. Guyo yonke AFCON campaign Lyle Foster koruki uleli one. Bafana played 3 games. He scored 1 goal, and the goal that he scored didn't even matter at that time because by the time Lyle Foster sekazokora bo ozona police besaba wenzile umsebenzi Bafana bese lead. So I don't think Bafana needs a player like Lyle Foster going to the World Cup. And unfortunately sakahambile uyile ku World Cup, we can only Lyle Foster ikinto yakhe uzohlala lapha siyela phayana okuyo defender. Another player that I want to talk about that personally I don't think should have made it to this squad, Bafana Uthemba Zwane. I don't think Bafana needs Uthemba Zwane for this tournament. I don't think Bafana needs Uthemba Zwane right now. Uthemba Zwane is not getting enough game time ku Mamelodi Sundowns for a reason. Akakori bheki season yakhe yonke ever since abuyile ku injury. How many goals has he scored? How many chances has he created? How many times has he been involved in the build-up of a goal for Mamelodi Sundowns? If he's not doing well at club level, what makes you think he'll do well at national level? If akakori Mamelodi Sundowns, what makes you think uzokora ku Bafana? At this point, all Hugo Broos just needs to do is depend on Mfukeng. Trust Mfukeng. Let Mfukeng play 90 minutes. Start Mfukeng. Akayiqala iqede Mfukeng. Mfukeng right now is more energetic than Uthemba Zwane. He's more hungrier than Uthemba Zwane. Simbonile umfana on the ball. He's even more confident and more alert. And one thing about Mfukeng, when he plays as a number 10, uyakwazi ukuread ama-run. Abo ozuna police mabasha mapline run Mfukeng uyazibona lezo zinto. Uthemba Zwane ufuna ukuthena. So I don't think Uthemba Zwane should be going to the World Cup. You go to the defense Leo Hugo Broos ayikethile. Mara bafethu omuphi coach owazi umsebenzi wakhe ongahamba ku World Cup ngama central defender amaningi so. Why do you have so many central defenders? Bazoyenzani lapha? What are they going to do? So you're telling me the way I'm a defender ka Hugo Broos amaningi ngakhona, he has enough defenders to play a different defensive pairing for the 3 games Bafana izoyidlala. Ngaqala ngalaba aze ngalaba. The way I'm a defender wakhe amaningi ngakhona. Uyambona uSamkelo Kabini ukuthi uyastruggle. Samkelo Kabini is struggling. What Hugo Broos should have done is take Khulumani Ndamani as a left back. Take Khulumani Ndamani as a left back. Akubo Aubrey Mudiba no Khulumani Ndamani that fight for that position a left back. Mbegezeli Mbokazi, Grant Kekana, nalo mfana lo Nukiano Cupido uqedile, but uIme Okona simazi ubuya kuphi khona naye laphana ku right back abo Thabang Mathuludi, abo Sibelebele, abo Khuriso Mudau. It's just into nje epetayo. And in closing, I don't think Bafana needs Hugo Broos. I don't think Hugo Bruce yena self is needed. So Bafana Bafana doesn't need Lyle Foster. Bafana Bafana doesn't need Tembazwani. Bafana Bafana doesn't need Hugo Bruce himself because Hugo Bruce ikwala Hugo Bruce. Uyahamba uyaloko World Cup your defender. What kind of coach is that? A coach that doesn't believe in his players, that doesn't believe in himself. Hugo Bruce must yena self akathembi. Yena self akathemba ama player wakhe, akathemba ukuthi le ntwana lezi zizofika zidlale la zizofika zitabalaze. So mina bafethu, I'm just saying that Hugo Bruce na himself akafuneki. We failed to beat Nicaragua. Abheka negama lakho nasikwazi nokulipronounce ngoba iCountry nyana nje angazi ukuthi isuka kuphi. Country nyana eswag. Masingababuza abanye nokuthi bakwe yipi continent labantu laba. Asazi. Bakwe yipi continent Forbes? Nicaragua.
They are American.
America.
North American or Middle America.
What is Bafana going to learn from? Miyabona no producer too confused now. What is something like that? Bafana izofunda nikulabantu laba. What is Bafana learning from Nicaragua? What test Nicaragua Bafana Bafetu from Dallas complainele skati zodlala nePanama Bafana kuti why are you playing against countries that are not going to test you? When was the last time Hugo Bruce and his squad played against a strong country? A country eqinile test the confidence ala Bafana laba, because playing against these small countries for me doesn't do anything for Hugo Bruce ngoba by the time they get lapha no World Cup nabadlala against ama country tough bese ama cheetahs otatazela. You saw it against Egypt, clumsiness, silly mistakes because abajwayelanga ukudlala nama player afana nabo Musa la. You saw it against Cameroon. Big stage, big games ekumele bavela amajita bayatatazela bayathuka because they are not used to playing against big teams. Bafana is used to playing against abo Lesotho, abo Botswana, lama country lo amancane. So now when they have to play against a country in a footballing structure that is well organized, bayafambula amajita, bayaqala bayatatazela bayenza ama mistake, including our key players, ama players that we depend and trust ukuthi laba bazoyenza izinto ezi right. Uyaya plays in Portugal, mara la dlala khona himself, it's a small league. So you can't tell me ukuthi like because he plays in Portugal uyamthatha umfaka kuba Bafana his European experience. Has he ever played against Real Madrid? Has he ever played against Barcelona? Has he ever played against opposition eqinile lapho he was highly tested? No, he's never done that. So what makes you think good now uyamthatha naye la suka khona umletha kuba Bafana and then you expect him ukuthi enze izinto ezi right? Bafana isafa inayo imali. The issue here is people keep saying, especially ama legend wethu. Our legends are always saying, yeah no, angithi bafuna PR. Yeah no, le country lena bekumele ukuthi badlale nayo. Hosting Brazil is a lot of money, hosting laba is a lot of money. A lot of money my foot. Safa has the means. Ikhona imali kuSafa. Isafa ithatha imali host ama country rights idlale nawo. And on top of that, imagine Bafana is playing against all of these small countries. Is there a big country that ever called you to start ukudlala against Bafana? And do you ask yourself why? Do you think Safa has ever received a call from a Brazil, from a Germany, Portugal, Spain, France? But these countries can we play against Bafana? No, they don't get those calls because lama country la ayaz Bafana. They know South Africa as a country. We hosted the 2010 FIFA World Cup, but do they know any of our players? No. Why bangadlali nabo? Bona self lama country they see it as a waste of time playing against Bafana. They won't be tested. For their players to be tested, bafuna ukudlala amongst each other. If France was hosting England, bona for a friendly ngoba bayazi ukuthi laba so compete nabo le World Cup. They play in the biggest leagues in football. Labantu laba baqinile bayayazi into abayenzayo. Instead of thina la as Bafana starting khona la ekhaya eAfrica, start with the Morocco. Play against Morocco before you go to the World Cup. Play against Ghana, they going to the World Cup. Play against Senegal. Kona Laikaya, play against the ones that are Laikaya. Let them be the ones that help prepare you for a World Cup. Just before your World Cup, host a big country. Busy country. Oh my God, this is so weird. You can't tell me that Mamelodi Sundowns can afford to bring Elipsberg. Isafa can't afford to bring a big country. In Mamelodi Sundowns, Barcelona. They've done it before. Mamelodi Sundowns paid by letter Messi and the Pegama results, man. They are reaping Mamelodi Sundowns from their investment. When they brought the likes of Abo Messi, Abo Deco, Abo Ronaldinho to come play against their team, what were they doing? They were developing a culture. Beba developing winning mentality. Beba testa ma player abo good batch wailu compete la pair. Bahamba ba konkari kef. Isn't that how you build your team? Hugo Bruce uyasaba ukudlala nama country amakhulu. Number 1, he doesn't believe in his players. He doesn't believe in himself as a coach. Ukuthi yena he can coach Bafana against big teams. He doesn't believe that he can coach Bafana against big teams. Kunalano Hugo Bruce bebabale record like yeah, he's won angazi 20 what games in a row. Bafana haven't lost a home match against. I mean, they've never lost a home game under Hugo Bruce. Of course, they've never lost a home game. Which countries do they host? Of course, if you're hosting a Lesotho, Botswana, Hugo Bruce dominates uzoshaya vele. If you host ama countries ngawaza amagama, Hugo Bruce uzoshaya. You hosting a Ghana side, iGhana yakhona nabo banilethela intwana ezincane because they're not going to the AFCON. So, if we had started la ekhaya, play against strong opposition from here in Africa, qinisa ama team wakho, qinisa squad sakho, abotebogo mokwena bajwayela ukudlala lapha eAfrica. Abaronunu lems bajwayela ukudlala lapha eAfrica. Then trust your players. Trust your players. You can't tell me when are you gonna choose a goalkeeper who goes over Brendan Peterson simply because maybe goes dala lapha and he understands the culture and the tradition. Sports are sebenze kanjalo. Start umuntu oshisayo so 4 minutes hamba naye. Bafethu, it's not personal. Uyabatshela ukuthi it's not personal. Uthathela ama player waziye ukuthi lawa they will contribute to team yakho. So I think the biggest issue here now is already now we have an expectation ukuthi yeah yo bafethu abomfukeng bazodlala kamnandi bazoshisa against abo Mexico nana badlale nini nama country strong. When were these players properly prepared and tested? Bayahamba bazo iJamaica yona self izoyenzelani bafana Jamaica even in the World Cup. Is Jamaica even a country strong enough to test our players? Well, because Bafana, I wouldn't be shocked if they lose to yona leo Jamaica leo. Hugo Bruce, I'm telling you guys, aniboni nina lento le. Hugo Bruce isikhathi sakhe la eSouth Africa akalishintshangi ibhola lethu. Our football ibuyele emuva. It's just a Betway Premiership yona they raised the standard. Imamelodi Sundowns iphakamise istandard and bona they made sure ukuthi they signed the right players for them to be able to compete continentally. Orlando Pirates na iqalile developer the same mindset basayina ama player baziye ukuthi compete. So Hugo Bruce uvela thathe lapha ufana nomuntu ohambile wayokha ama benches akama benches abamaningi awafaka ebasketini wena ufika uyathatha. You didn't do the job. Umuntu osebenzile lo ohambile wayowakha lama benches wagibela wadonsa lama branch oyihlahla zamhlaba zangena emehlweni. That's the person icredit ekumele iwe kuye. That's why every week mina ngithi credit to abo Rulani Mukwena, to abo Jose Rivero, well no owadu manje, credit to management ePirates ne Sundowns. Ibaba silungiselele lama player basipreparele lama player. Hugo Bruce akayenzanga nix. Akayenzanga nix Hugo Bruce. All he did uzela South Africa what divide the country. Our country is divided now. It's divided manje as a football fan. Usually makuzodlala Bafana we become united. We become one and we all stand behind the team yethu. But we can't because now we are divided. Masikhuluma thina as ama fan abafuni usimamela. Masikhuluma thina as ama fan ama voice wethu abaleka ngama voice abalekile wabo lapha kuSafa. And labantu abakuSafa bona self abayazi into abayenza. Nakho khona manje amajita ama visa wabaphumeledi. No bafethu ayikho sharp lento le. Thank you to everyone that's been joining the community. Thank you for all the subscriptions bafethu. If awukaka subscribe kule channel, subscribe kule channel. This is the only channel that allows people to voice out izinto abafuna ukuthi voice out. Akuna PR, we call it as it is. Spade is spade like high. Angeke sibizi spade ngenkomo. Spade is spade. Thank you, Cerealist Breakfast. It's ready for you to eat. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and tell a friend to tell someone you know. Go to Lomfano Yalazi Paul.